No matter where I go, these just follow me, guys. More than an athlete, you guys. The LeBron 17, one of the nicest quality Converse I've ever seen. Get 20% off, so it's like $100. That's actually not bad. React, Fearless, low ones. Lunchtime. Lunch for champs, right? Lunch for champs. Meat, more meat, and water. Folsom Premium Outlets. I hope this trip is better than last time. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're back. And yeah, that's my Kia right there. Oh, not really, but yeah. I'm still out in Sacramento. So that's my rental vehicle. I think I've already put over 150 miles on it today. Going to places to get content for the channel, you guys. Isn't that crazy? Well, I might have used a little bit for work, but yeah. So yeah, I'm still out in the Sacramento area. I'm in Folsom, I think. The place is called Folsom Premium Outlets. So yeah, they got a Nike outlet, of course. So yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's go see what's up. I'm praying to the sneaker gods, you guys. Praying to the sneaker gods. Just hope they got something. I did forget this is like one of the most packed outlets for how small it is. And there's just so many people there. But yeah, let's see what's up. 20% off the clearance section at least. These just, no matter where I go, these just follow me, guys. These follow me. Size 10, 9.5. Size 9.5 for those. Size 10 for those. More size 10. And then more size 10. Man, they're just following me, man. They're just everywhere. Go with the size 9 right here as well. They're everywhere, man. They're everywhere, you guys. That's crazy. I've been telling you guys how small this place is. This is the entire men's clearance section. It's from size 5 right here all the way to what, 13 over there. That's the entire section, you guys. Small. I think it's one of the smallest clearance sections that I've seen. Pegasus turbos going for $100. Kind of an interesting color. I've never seen this color, but $100. Get that 20% off too. I don't know. This might be a size 10, might be a size 10.5. Okay. Oh, this comes with multiple covers. I didn't know that. So I've never really seen these in retail, but yeah, more than an athlete, you guys. The LeBron 17s, 20% off retail. There's no way the Vomeros are going for retail. There's no way. I don't know, but you get 20% off whatever the price is. $65 for some Converse. Normally they're $95. Oh, these are suede though. Suede. Wow, man. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. It's one of the nicest quality Converse I've ever seen. And the bottom part is like, it's like plastic. It's not really that rubber material. Wow. Might actually be able to clean it. Man, 65, get 20% off. 9.5's got some React 1 highs. They got stuff. They got decent stuff, you guys. 8.5's got some Nike by Kim's. Got some Nike IDs, or Nike by you, but I still call them Nike IDs. Not terrible, not too bad. Go for $120. Get 20% off, so it's like $100. $100. Like, look at that tongue material. It's interesting. So it's like clear and then red underneath. That's interesting. But yeah, $120. $120. That's definitely not boring. Got a bunch of the Oquan 2s, some ACGs. Hella durable. Not the nicest looking, but hella durable. Probably water resistant and stuff too. So not too bad. Get that 20% off 60 as well. Got some Air Force 1 highs, some hella bright gold ones. Look at this, someone I guess done with that pacifier. That's actually not bad. That's not bad at all. I'm not usually into gold and real gaudy things, but yeah, that's not bad. It's size 5 though. So that's not a kid size. What the hell? Thought that was interesting. Size 6, Vaporfly 4%. Oh damn, Vaporfly 4%. We've seen these here and there at the outlets. I think I mentioned before. This is the exact shoe that they're trying to They're trying to outlaw this for the marathon in the Olympics. That's the bottom and the carbon fiber with the Zoom X. Apparently that's that deadly of a combo where they're trying to outlaw that, man. But yeah, that's what you guys want. Look, it's not cheap, not cheap. $200 after that 20% off. Oh hell no! Alpha Ducks going for $130. That's crazy. Let's go check the bigger sizes. Smaller sizes, not much. We're in the size 11s now. Got some mids. This is the Royal Mids. Royal Blue. Okay. Alright, they're coming out with like the OG colorways and stuff, but the quality, like this is why the OGs don't like it, because the quality, man. Look, like the leather just feels like plastic. Just feels like lower grade plastic, and that's why these are loved by the OG heads. But that's why they're cheap though, and they're sold at the malls by casual people. Only 115. Not bad. 10.5. Did I show these earlier? The React Fearless low ones. Jordan 1 React Fearless. Did I show this earlier? I don't know. But yeah, go for retail, get that 20% off. We got plenty of these Pegasus Turbos going for $100, different sizes. We got these BB4s. Oh, this is an actual Olympic colorway too. This is the one. It's the colorway that Vince Carter had when he jumped over the homie, the French homie. Yeah, this is the exact one. Dope. The Dunk of Death. They call it the Dunk of Death. But yeah, it comes with the extra beat up box. And you get it for retail. Yeah, that don't make no sense. What the hell? Get some Monarchs for $45. That's a big thumbs down. Pegasus for $65. Check out size 13. Oh, excuse me. Size 13s. You do got some More Than an Athletes. Come with a busted box, and that's not even the original box, right? That's a different box too. Size 13's got the Enlightenments back up to regular price at finish line. So apparently they use like the dullest knife ever. Look at that. Like, how can you not make a clean cut? Don't you guys have box cutters? But yeah, going for $130. Get that 20% off, I guess. So like was that 104 or something? This matches the lowest price you've ever seen these for. I did buy these for this price, so I got them because my kid. I still haven't told them they're not real Jordans, but they're more than 50% off, you guys. So like, if you want them, go get them. Who cares what other people like me say? Just get them. Dang, I can't wait till these go down. If these go down, the up tempo, the Chicago colorway, the Pippins, yeah, man, gonna have to cop if they go down. We are near Truckee, California, which is one of the coldest places in the lower 48s or the continental U.S. So they got boots here. Got boots. The what? Manoa domes. Manoa domes. I thought these were the Manoas, but yeah, the Manoa domes. 65. They look pretty decent. Yeah. Is that like is that a suede or is it synthetic? Looks like a synthetic, but yeah, probably waterproof and stuff. So not bad. Got the traditional colorway of the Manoa domes. Crazy name. How are these still going for $100, man? That's crazy. I don't understand. Because these are way dope and they're going for $100 too. That's crazy. What's up with the prices here, man? How is this $160? How is this $160? That's crazy. Pricing here is definitely interesting. The place is packed as hell too. Still interesting, yeah. Yeah, I think these are 75 everywhere, right? 75. More Air Max 200, 75. More Air Max 200, 75. Hell yeah, these are way more dope. Way more dope. Oh, but they don't have them any less. And it's all just size 12. But yeah, but that is dope though. That's a solid price. The VaporMax 2019. This is a solid cop. This is super dope. Really dope, man. Got plenty of sizes all the way from like 9.5 to 14s. But I think this might be like one of the best buys of the day so far. At this outlet at least. Yeah, this one's still like way expensive at all the places. I think it's the newest colorway of the 720s at the outlets. And then yeah, see, that's a way better price. Not bad. A lot less of these than that other one. We are in the women's section. These are dope. Saw these at the last place too. The single days, I believe. It's the one with the red paint over. I don't know what's underneath. But yeah, if you peel the red off, apparently there's a different color underneath. Pretty dope, pretty dope. But it does feel, look, looks kind of cheap because of that second layer of paint. Apparently they were sloppy with the fuel. But yeah, but the price is good, and not too many people got them. $1.30, $1.30, you get 20% off as well. Have a few. Oh, never mind. There's the only one here. Got a few of these Fearless ones. Oh, wow, that's the cheapest we've seen these. $110, and you get that 20% off. Wow, that's crazy. That's the first time I've seen these on sale. Maybe the last time, because look at the one right next to it. Nope. We saw these at the last place as well. The retro ones. This is is it crocodile skin? Is that snake skin? Yeah, it's crocodile skin. Man. I'm sure it's not real crocodile skin, but yeah. But yeah, the Bordeaux colorway. What these going for? $80, get 20% off. They're VaporMaxes, man, going for $1.35, a little bit more than in LA. Dang. Metcons, that's a really solid price, $70. You get 20% off as well. This is the entire women's section. Oh my goodness. The clearance section here are hella small. That's crazy. And dang, the Pegasus going for $85. That seems a little pricey. Dang. The Pegasus Turbo is going for $105. That's such a better deal than those things. That's crazy. $100 for these. We saw these. Where did we see these? We just saw this maybe at the last outlet. You get 20% off of this one though. Not bad, but they don't have that many sizes, obviously. I was like, what are these? I know they're Nike IDs, obviously, or Nike by use. But look, internationalist? Oh, they just look like some old schools. I don't know what the hell they are, but yeah. Yeah, suede and nylon. Going for what? $80? $80, get that 20% off. Look at this, look at this. Wow. They don't have any of the men's sizes, but they do have all the way from what, 6 to 8? 6 to 8 in these, man. What is like? I guess it's like some crocodile skin type of thing. I doubt it's real crocodile skin. I don't know. Oh, feels leathery, but I doubt it's real. But yeah, man, those actually don't look that bad. $60. Look at that price too. $60. There actually might be even resale on this, man. I don't think the size is out because of 8. Yeah, size 8. I don't think the size 8 will sell. But yeah, if they had like size 10 maybe. But yeah, man, this might be the dopest find of the day so far. Dopest find of the day. Got the usual 720s going for $90. $270. This is a solid deal on the Forrest Gumps. The Forrest Gump Cortezes. We haven't seen these for this cheap in a while. Isn't that crazy? These used to be running shoes back in the day. That's crazy. That's crazy. So the running stuff, kind of mediocre, you guys. Kind of mediocre. Not finding any premier sneakers. Just a lot of generic sneakers in the aisles in the women's section. Even these, I was like, what? These are Pegasus? No, they're the Nike Quest 2s. What the heck? So crowded. They got some of the nicer stuff right here. The Odyssey React Flyknit 2s going for $60. They got a few of them. And the Epic Reacts are going for $90. It seems like it's the going price at all the outlets right now. In the kids section, these Air Force Ones, pretty dope. I don't like the color scheming. I don't know. Maybe I think if this part wasn't totally green, neon, like look hella clean, but that neon kind of kills it. But yeah, that price, look at that price, $50. Got a few retro Jordans. Got the winterized 8s. Got some wood mids for the girls. Some chlorophylls, kind of expensive though. Little. Got a couple more Air Force Ones. Oh, this one's kind of whatever. This one's hella dope though. Look at this. Suede. You know kids are gonna mess that up. Got that carpet material. This is dope. Hella clean too. It's just Black with white, very simple, but a little bit different with that Nike sign. 60 bucks though, a little bit high though. A little bit high, because they're normally what, 85? So they're definitely doing it right with this stuff, but it's not on sale, man. 100 bucks. Not on sale at all. These are like some fleece shorts. And actually, fleece or jersey material. I don't know. Fleece, I guess. No, not fleece. It's like what sweatshirts are normally made out of. I guess it's fleece. I don't know, but 15 bucks though. Normally 45, dude. I'd still get it, but it's an XL. They got this in large. I'll go ahead and get that, man. That's pretty dope fleece jacket, but not the greatest deals, dude. 65. It's only a few dollars off. Only 25 bucks off, man. I feel like you can get these for like 50% off a lot of times. I see a whole lot of signs, but all these, man, all these signs are just for t-shirts and stuff, man. They're for t-shirts pretty much, like not for sweatshirts, not for sweatpants, nothing useful right now. All right, some of the prices ain't bad, cause I'm good with 25 for these, cause I think I did pay like 20 some, but I've seen it for under 20 plenty of times, so I'd probably wait, but still not terrible, not terrible. I'm looking on the clearance rack and nothing's really on clearance. What's up with that? Look at this. 45 for that. This has a slight discount. 40 bucks instead of 40. So only $5 off. Like, what the fuck? This is it me, or does that just not make sense? I seem to see that all the time. Look at this. All the time at the outlets where there's a clearance rack. I usually don't even check them anymore, but what the hell is up with that, you guys? That's crazy. All right, we're gonna wrap it out, dude. Wrap it up. Didn't really see much here. Did not see much here. Let's see if we see any. See if there's anything. Let's check to see if they have anything behind the registers of the return. No, nothing much. Nothing much, man. That's about it, you guys. Well, that was really underwhelming. I fly all the way out here to Sacramento from Los Angeles and hit up a couple outlets. And really not much, man. Just I don't know. Apparently LA just got all kinds of heat compared to all these other places. Like, what the hell? That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'm gonna hit up a couple other stores. I'll probably have separate vlogs for those. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, you guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. If you like this type of content, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're new, go ahead. Make sure you guys subscribe, you guys. Subscribe and click on that notification, because I do post a lot of stuff. So yeah, so go ahead. See you guys in the next one, you guys. See, it's gonna be plenty more. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, that's definitely the next stop right there, dude. Definitely the next stop. I don't know, or it might be the stop before for you guys. I don't know, but look at that, Fanatics. That's pretty cool. Let's go check it out.